Sorry if you don't hear me that good.
Teleport gun. That's a teleport gun.
I think it's like a ship crashed right here. This is the best update so far.
Get away from him!
Now they can't talk to me because I'm on channel 1. Now I can't talk to them anymore. But I'm just wondering, where is the computer so I can play by myself? Holy! Look, I can swim. Let's just go in here. What do I have in my backpack, guys? Oh. Not that useful, but just immense. Hey, stay away. Stay. Oh! Die! Die! I'm glad I have a weapon though. And I'm glad he's scared of me. Please don't jump scare me. I am gonna kill you. I wanna get out of here. What kind of monster are these? Wait, what happens if one of them kills me? I know you're there. I gotta punch him, so because he's neutral. Hey, don't be scared. Oh, 2 shots. Okay. Oh, there we go. What? No, no, no. Come on, bro. What is this? Wait, what? Huh? Reindeer. They got a reindeer in the game now? Turkey, I like the turkey. But that's not my slippers fit. Ocean dive. I want this, bro. Give me this. How much is this? This is so much. Nah. Wait, gotta turn to my animal. Wait, I haven't tested all of them. Oh, the racer set. I need this. It's not that much either. But I'm poor. Speed set. Oh man. I will need one of those with the helmets. Oh, there's so much more on the board. Feels good to be home from Spain, guys, so I can make videos with y'all. Teleport gun. That's OP. Bro, I need a teleport gun. Wait, 5? How long? Oh gosh. I really hope there's no new monsters. Oh. Damn. Nice. Oh, it just goes right in. That's awesome. game is so much more realistic. Two down. Boy. Hey. Bad boy. Could just kill me already. Thank you. You can kill me. I don't care. They added cave sounds? Hell no. Holy moly! Get it. Get it. There you go. I got it. Now let's go get the teleport gun. It scared me. What was that? This is the gaming best update ever. Now there's skins from the game? I gotta call Blake for this, guys. When Blake come here, guys, it gotta be happy. It was so long in Spain. Last time I was in Spain, I didn't know him, and now I know him. It's kind of hard to go in Spain without going with him. Holy moly macaroni, ammo. That's so far. That's the supply gun. Right. There it is. There, the teleport gun is right here. Assess us. It's like a... Worst cooldown, and it doesn't shoot us far. Oh wait, never mind. Let's go into public and do this. Guys, where's Blake?
I'm not gonna bring a grapple.
I'm doing the mining. I'm doing the mining thing. I'm doing the
Wait,
mining
wait, 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 wait. Where do you get those? Where do you get those?
thing.
Wait, wait, wait. What
I'm
the?
down here.
It costs 4. Can you,
and you
can you give
find
me
those.
one of those?
I found a gold mine then.
That one. I don't need special stuff. There you go. Thank you.
Oh, that was a good
There
deal.
goes
That
that
was a
one.
good deal.
Copy, I need
Yeah, that
a
was
copy,
awesome,
sir.
dude.
Copy.
Holy moly!
Hey, you. Let's go mining. Let's go mining now.
I'm not the guy.
Copy, I need help down in sewers.
Well, that's
if
the
someone
guy.
can pass me-
One of
Pass
you
me a
get a
flashlight.
light. Get a light. Could you get a
If
light?
someone can pass me
What?
a flashlight down in sewers,
You got a light.
that'll be great.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you. Do you want to
Well,
go
this
mining?
update is
I need a
sick.
flashlight ASAP, please.
Go
Guys,
get
never mind.
a pickaxe and a flashlight.
Yeah, where's the guy?
and a
Can you hear
gun,
me?
and then
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, I don't know.
Where's the guy that
I
needed
don't
a
know. I
light?
haven't touched this game in ages.
You need a light, right?
Get a pickaxe.
You're the guy that needed a light.
How do I
Thanks
get
for
off
the
the menu?
flashlight.
No, can you have
Okay,
it?
Get a
go.
pickaxe.
Can you
No,
hold
wait.
it?
I think I have a bear.
What?
Can you hold it? Cause I like nothing to hold it with.
I'll get you a flashlight.
yeah,
if you
yeah.
need one.
I give you a big one.
Okay.
You know? Alright. Bro,
About.
I put it on my hip slot. I put it on my hip slot. Oh shit, where'd it go? Is it on my hip slot? No.
It's up there. It's up there. It's up there. Oh, never mind.
Stop it, bro. Stop it. Stop it.
Wait.
Did you?
Let me just get a teleport.
down sewers. Where'd you go down
Come on,
What's up?
Bro, this is cheap.
Bro.
This is real cheap
Come here.
actually.
You have to get your stuff.
How do you get them? How do you get them?
Where are they?
You need to get your
Use-
pickaxe.
Yeah?
Oh, follow me. You need to have the
No,
grappler
I'll
first,
find
though.
a real pickaxe.
Look, it's over here. You need to buy the grappler.
Who knows where the
Buy the
who knows where
grappler
the-
first to get the
Who,
teleport.
who knows where the duplication map is?
Wait, why did they
kill me.
lock up? Why did they lock up this? Wait, wait. What's up here? Oh,
Key.
I want to see what's up there. Holy moly! A little hangout place. Oh. Ah, no! No! Huh? I'm walking. Oh, I'm back. Sorry, I was under the ground. What's your favorite thing about this update?
It has to be the teleport thing or the new monsters.
I don't like the new monsters. They're scary. Bro,
Yeah,
I
to be
just
honest.
joined, and bro, I tried to kill them.
Just no.
They were scared of me, bro. You know?
Hey, put the drill up to yourself. Put the drill up to yourself,
Ah!
Red.
I know what
Red,
you're
put the
doing.
drill
You're
up.
Nah, bro, I'm not doing that.
trying to make me kill myself.
Wait, what's down here? Hey, yo!
Don't go down.
Please,
Right,
please! Yo, I
What's
died!
down here?
Ah,
Is this a mining place?
I died!
Yeah.
Be right back.
That area.
Holy moly! What is this? Oh,
Go, come on.
never. Bro. Hey, yeah. Oh shit! I can't see anything. How long is the flashback? What? Oh shit!
Hey, sir, revive me! Sir, revive me! Sir! Sir, revive me, sir!
Sir, get my Reaper core, bro.
Sir! Sir, revive me, sir! I'm up here!
Oh, that's not you.
Bro. Wait! Guys! I want to go back. This is scary. I'm a scaredy cat, guys.
It's fine.
No, I'm a scaredy cat. Hey! Oh, moly. Holy moly. Don't care about Coda. I need to get my thingy back.
Where are you? I'm right here.
No!
Come on,
No!
Patrick. Alright, Ben!
No!
It says you're not there.
I will come back. I'll come back.
Wait, join
Guys!
mode X.
Yo!
Ryan.
Yo!
There they are.
Yo, guys, I want to go to the where those scary monsters were, like the vent monsters, like Among Us. It's mine!
Spider. Guys, it's a spider.
That was effective.
Sorry, you can get to me.
Got my flashlight.
How do we go back?
Armstrong and
Yo! This will be useful. Ouch.